This is the Curved Borders 2 die set from Spellbinders. There are 6 different dies in the set. 2 of them just die cut out some pattern, and the other 4 are different edges. These dies are perfect for creating unique borders on the fronts of cards. You can do them either vertically or horizontally on different A2 cards, and you can mix and match the border dies with the dies that just cut some pattern without the border. The dies fit perfectly with each other, and each die has 4 notches if you want to be able to center it perfectly, either horizontally or vertically on an A2 card. When I'm using the dies, I like to place them exactly where I want them, and then I tape them in place with die tape to make sure that they don't shift with each other while I'm putting it through my die cutting machine. You also want to make sure not to accidentally overlap them in any way, because that can ruin your die. I like to place them like this while my card is closed. So you want to make sure that you open your card up when you're putting them through the die cutting machine so that you're not accidentally cutting through the front as well as the back of the card. Once they are all die cut, you can take the tape off, remove any pieces that have stuck in there, and the result is a beautiful card front with a unique die cut edge. This set is a great option for card makers.